Namaste, I'm Yogrishi Vishvketu. Today I'm explaining common mistake of Surya Namaskar Asana. When people does Sun Salutation, these are the common mistake people does. And when you're doing some mistakes and you're doing yoga poses, instead of benefit, you start to get negative effect of it. So this is Vandana Nityam. She is doing PhD in yoga and she teach yoga and teacher training programs at Anand Prakash Yoga Ashram in Rishikesh. So let's begin. We begin with the feet. For any yoga pose you're doing or even you're standing, your feet is very important because these are the foundation for your all upper part of your body. So feet is together or slightly apart, not keep outside. That's the common mistake. People keep feet outside and doing, and then is out of the alignment, and then you start to get knee issues, back issues, all kind of things you start to get problem. So let's feet together or slightly apart. Now active thighs, lifting shoulder, lifting crown. So about 60% weight on your heels, about 40% of weight on the front of the feet. So that is easier to make a good alignment and making your body not leaning left or right side or front or backward. So that is very important to finding center gravity, grounding, uplifting, holding center gravity, expansion, and you feel really good that time. So this is the first things in classical Surya Namaskar Asana, and any standing yoga pose, your foundation is very important. From here, now I'm going to talk about Namaskar Mudra. Sometimes that's happening mostly in the Western world. They keep fingers pointing like that and then open. So it sometimes make me laugh because this is very good for exercise. But if you're doing Surya Namaskar Asana as a devotional practice, a spiritual practice, that's not a right thing. Because when you're doing this, it brings the devotion, it brings the surrender, it bringing you open to for the prayer. But in India, no one say namaste like that. And if you say namaste like that, it will be very rude to people. Okay, just keep things simple and straightforward, because yoga is not just a physical exercise. This is also a someone tradition. This tradition has been from thousands of years, and you do not want to mess up someone's culture if you don't know enough about yoga. So do right thing, learn from the right master. That's Namaskar Mudra, when is all four fingers together and thumbs to your heart, not opening fingers. Let's grounding feet. Next thing is the inhale, raise arms up, and when they go up and they do slightly back bending, what's common mistake? They bring knees forward, they bring pelvis very much forward, and then is out of the balance. So keep the legs straight and not moving your pelvis forward more than your toes. If you're doing that way, if you're bending knees and moving pelvis forward, you're creating lots of stress on your lower back. And if you even don't have back issues, if you keep doing it, sooner or later you're going to get the back issues. Now from here, legs straight, thighs straight, active thighs and lifting. From here is going up and then going back. I'm reminding you, going up and going back. So that's create the extension in your spine. So it will not create a problem or pressure in your lower back. Next thing, sometimes people bring so much stress and tension in the shoulders, squeezing up. No, just relax shoulders, make your neck long. Next thing, from here, sometimes people drop head back quite deeply. No. Your arms and your ear is in same line. So that is really help to keep alignment of your body in that posture. Next, exhaling, folding forward. If you have back issues, please bend your knees when you're coming down. So you're using your abdominal muscles to come down, palms on the ground, forehead to the knees or below the knees. Here, if you have back issues, keep bending knees a little bit and active thighs. Otherwise, if your body allow you, your hamstring allow you, keep hamstring your legs straight and forehead below the knee. And keep shoulders open, make your neck long. So no stress on your neck. You're doing yoga practice to release the stress. You're not doing yoga practice to create stress on your body or on your neurological system. Now from here, bringing right leg back, right knee on the ground. And now from here, you can do that left leg, you pressing down all the time. Bringing left knee forward, left knee and ankle is almost in one line. Or their left knee should not go more than your left toes out. I'm just telling this knee should not go more than the toes. So that is important things is here. Left leg goes back, no tension on the shoulder. Now lifting chin up, but no dropping head back. That's another common mistake. People, they just drop head back. Is you want to make it a long neck. Now let's pressing palms down. Inhale your left leg back. Body parallel here. So in here is not just here bending knees and all these type of things. No. Legs straight, active thighs, use abdominal muscles, keep belly in, open shoulders, looking forward, and long arms. Very good. Now this is the pose where is strengthening and is really good for many things, preventing the back issues, and let's exhale, knees on the ground. And now bring the chin and chest on the ground, Sastang Namaskar Asana. So pointing toes back. Very good. This is very good pose here. And so elbows to the rib cage, not going outside. That's the common mistake. People bring outside and it creates so much stress on the shoulders. No, elbows in. So when your elbows in, your shoulders is open. Thus pointing toes back, coming into the Cobra, Bhujangasana. That's other pose where people make lots of mistake and can hurt their back. So pointing toes back. Here, what they're doing sometime, let's bending elbows, good. So sometimes they bring the outside like that and then create so much stress on the shoulders. No. Keep elbows in and lifting chin. Same thing with the head. It is not dropping back. You bringing chin, lifting chin up, but you are creating extension on your neck, on your spine. Now from here, let's come into the mountain pose. Curl toes and come into mountain pose. For mountain pose, pressing palms down, pressing feet down, active thighs, lifting up, feeling like a strong, like a mountain. From common mistake what people does, they keep round back. If your back is getting round, better to bend your knees and keep back straight. As your hamstring is open, then you start to keep legs straight and then continue lifting. This is a very good pose. And from here, let's inhale, right leg between hand. I already talked about this pose. If here you can't reach your hands down, you can put the yoga blocks beside of it. You can use the yoga block. Exhale, left leg between hands, forehead below knees. Keep belly in. That's the other thing. People, when they do forward bending, their belly is coming out. So no, just exhale twice or longer here and make your belly in. Okay, let's press feet down. Now inhale, raise arms up. If you have back issues, bend knees like that as you're coming up, lifting, and then back bending a little bit. Exhale, palms in Namaskar Mudra. So this is the all 12 pose. If you do Surya Namaskar Asana with the right way, right time, and it just has so many benefits. It work on your physical body, it work on your mental body, and is really good for your spiritual energy, adhyatmikta. Okay, so these are just common mistakes, but there is lots to talk. and I will make more videos with the whole sequence, with mantras, with the breathing. So you will see in the next coming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends, and if you have any comments, feel free to comment underneath it. Thank you very much. Namaste. See you again soon. Hari Om.